Hi, hello guys. Today the topic is web development. In this series, first we're covering the HTML. So let's get started. Okay, we have opened the Visual Studio Code. If you have opened it, we will discuss in the upcoming video, the separate video. Okay. Firstly, we are creating a new file index.html. Okay. In VS Code, there is a shortcut that is underscore. Okay, exclamation mark. First, I will explain this. HTML is the first, which contains the language by default. It specifies the language in which the file is appearing, the head, to the head of the body. That means the page. Here we have the meta types. First, it is the what chapset it is, and it is used for the responsiveness of the page. And next, title of the page, and it is head part is completed. Now we will see about the body. First, I will run the view server. Okay. Let's discuss about the HTML elements. Okay, let's discuss about the HTML elements. Now we have, for suppose, H1. H1 means heading with the highest size. My first heading. Okay. Now we have the paragraph. Paragraph means the text it contains. My first paragraph. Okay. Now, if you want to break, that means you want to separate two lines. For suppose in P in paragraph, my first, and if you want to break it into two lines, use the BR tag. My first paragraph. As you can see here, the my P and my first and paragraph are separated. Okay, it is the nested element. In HTML, we have nested elements. That nested means one element is the children of other element. Okay, now I will note in HTML there are the elements that starts with an square uh, bracket and end with a bracket, but that's a slash. Okay, do not skip this. If you skip, the code will break. But there are some cases like break, HR, we will discuss. We can write P as capital P also. It won't affect. But the official recommendation is use lowercase. Okay. Next, we will discuss the attributes. Elements is separated. In elements, I have discussed H1 is the element of the first heading is first authority. That means it will have highest. For suppose if we use H2, my second heading. As we can see here, the first heading is way larger than the second heading, and it will be my third heading. As you can see, it is decreasing the font size. We will discuss about the font size later if we cover the CSS study. If I am writing the fourth H4 heading. As you can see, it will gradually decreasing from H1 to H4, and we have H5 and H6 at last. My fifth heading. Okay, H6. My sixth heading. Okay, it is in, at first it has highest font size, and from H1 to H6 the size is decreasing, as you can see clearly in this from H1 to H6. Okay, now let's go to the another. We have completed paragraph, and next we have the attributes. In HTML we have the link. Yeah, that means A tag is hyperlink. Okay, it has an href attribute. Href. Href means it is used to link to another page. For suppose if we type the address of the YouTube, it will redirect to the YouTube. Okay, let's see. Now I have written the address of the YouTube page in this in the href attribute, and I am closing this. And we want to give the name of it. And as you can see here, it will clearly give future. It will redirect to the youtube.com, as you can see here. Okay. Now we have seen the href attribute for A. That means hyperlink. Now we have image. It is used for the images. Image source is anything you can give. Okay. And it also has alternative. Alt. So image. And it does not have any ending tags. So you have to give it like this. So as you can see here, we have not provided the correct source. It gives display the alternative text in this. Okay. Now height images has height property as 30 and width also 30. Okay. Next, language keyword is in HTML. We have used language. Language is used for the it depicts the document language. Either it is English, Japanese, German. It may be anywhere, or we can use the local also US. Okay, it locals. Next we have come with the title, and always use the tags at the capital. No, it is lowercase, not capital. Now, as you can doubt, as you can get here, that uh, in double quotes, use only single quotes, not double quotes. If you use double quotes, it will break down the quote. Okay, and now it will only first give the first one, not second one. If you use the first one, I mean, if you want to use this quotes inside of this, use single quotes or the double quotes. Okay, if you want to use, if you use single quotes, it will break down the code, and then you want to affix this. It is not possible in HTML, but it is possible in JavaScript. We will discuss it later. Okay. Next, we will go to the next topic. Headings you have covered because headings are important, and if you want to follow this pattern from top to bottom. Okay. Next, Okay, if you want to uh, give a horizontal line between them, use HR. It is horizontal lines. Look, paragraph, as you can, it is the reference, it is the paragraph level thematic break. That means it gives a line. Okay, BR means break. We will break the statement. HR means will separate the two paragraphs with a horizontal line. Next, if first suppose we have two paragraphs in a single paragraph. One, two, three, four. If you if you write like this, the HTML in HTML we get like this. Say not in the not like this. Okay. So to get like this, you want to use PRE element. Okay. That means pre-formatted text. P means pre-formatted text. Wait a sec. And okay, as you can see here, you can get one, two, three, four. There is a small visible difference between the paragraph and the pre-formatted text. Okay. Next. Okay. That's all for this section. In this tutorial, we have discussed the HTML basics and we talked about HTML, header tags, meta tags, title tag, and the headings. Heading starts from H1 to H6 and it will should be in the same order in the web page. We will discuss about it later. And paragraphs. To separate two paragraphs, we want to use HR and in the same paragraph, if you want to break the line, use BR. If you want to get like this, that means the same order as like this one, you want to use PRE. If you don't use this, you will get the horizontal way. And we have discussed about attributes. Here we have A means hyperlink, attribute href means URL. It may be relative, it may be static. Okay, we will discuss about it later. Next, image. Image has source. That means from where the image is coming, the image path, it is located. ALT means alternate text. That means it is the text it shows when the source image is not visible. As you can see here, image. Here the text is not visible source. Height. How much the height the image should run. Width. How much width the image should run. Thank you. Bye bye.